Your problem is not even up to a year. You have started cursing God. That if God exists, why are you going through this? I just wanted to know this. You are not the first, and you are not going to be the last. Or this is not the first time you are hearing this, and this is not going to be the last time you hear this. So many of you, you have a little challenge. You start cursing the God that created you. Remember the story of the woman with the issue of blood for 30 years. Remember those on the pool of Bethesda. Most of them stayed there for years, 30 years, 20 years, depending. If God is alive, why am I suffering? If God is alive, why have I not gotten a job? If God is alive, why have I not married? If God is alive, why have I not done this? If God is alive, why have I not done that? You don't have the right to question God, brothers and sisters. You don't have the right to question God, brothers and sisters. Because God says, to everything under the planet Earth, there is time and season. Maybe it is not yet your time. It is not your season. So you don't have the right to question God that why have you not done this? Why have I not married? Why have I not gotten a job after graduation? You are not the first that have not gotten a job after graduation. It depends on grace. Some people graduate after 6 months, they have a job, while some people graduate after 3 years, they have a job. After 2 years, some after 2 weeks, they have a call. They get a call and then get a job. So you don't have the right to question God for why you have not done this, why you have not done that. God has plans for you. So you have to obey, wait, depend on God, put your trust on God. He will surely answer you. Don't question the source of your life. Because you are not the owner of your life. You don't know anything about your life. You don't know anything. From the beginning, from the day your mother conceived you, God knows everything about you and know how He has planned your life to go, how He has programmed your life to go, and how it will end. So you are only just to observe the process and obey, follow His instruction, and everything is going to work perfectly, perfect for you. Stop questioning God, for He knows why. You don't know why. So stop asking why.